What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where UK's mini Countryman and Clubman get a blacked out shadow edition. Now, inspired by the BMW's dark shadow edition lineup, Mini has launched an upgrade for the Countryman and the Clubman. Now, limited to the UK market where they are available with the Cooper and Cooper S engines in both manual and automatic transmission variants, and with the all-4 PHEV on the Countryman, the feature enhanced looks inside and out with a generous equipment line. Now, both cars are offered in midnight black metallic exterior paint finish with contrasted silver roof and side mirror caps with piano black accents, LED lights on both ends, and roof rails standard on the Countryman, optional on the Clubman. Now, they sit on 19-inch JCW circuit spoke alloy wheels and benefit from the JCW aerodynamic kit, including a rear spoiler, and the Shadow logo also completes the makeover. Now, the interior of the Shadow edition has been dolled up with the JCW sport seats, piano black trim, anthracite headliner, tread plates with special graphics, and sports leather wrapped steering wheel with chili red contrasted stitching. Now, those opting for one of the two vehicles will also get them with the new 5.5-inch digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth, USB socket, lights pack, drive mode selector, sport, mid, and green settings, and the rear park distance control. Now, the excitement pack is also standard and adds LED mood lighting and mini logo projection, while the navigation pack, which is included as well, brings the 8.8-inch display, navigation system, real-time traffic info, Apple CarPlay, and intelligent emergency calling. Now, the Comfort Pack, Comfort Plus Pack, Navigation Plus Pack, they're all optional. Now, pricing for the Clubman Shadow Edition starts at €26,805, which is $36,949, and the Countryman Shadow Edition comes at €28,755, or $39,637, and customer deliveries will kick off this April. So with that said, which one are you taking, the Countryman or the Clubman with the new Shadow Edition? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about the new UK's 2021 Mini Countryman and Clubman Shadow Editions. Now, if you guys also want to help support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to throw a couple extra dollars to the channel. You can also check me out on Patreon, be a monthly subscriber there, or check out the Ron's Rise merch where you can get t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, everything Ron's Rise. Also follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, see everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos. It doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one news video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise news video. Peace.